Today we are at Wren Close in the very popular Bishop's Hole. We have Musgrove around the corner, it's Castle catchment. The property itself is 2 double bedrooms, both with a fantastic little dressing area, really special property. On the ground floor, it's extended to the rear to create a real sense of outdoor-indoor living. It's a real entertainer's property. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. And we finish in the very lovely garden. It's a shame it's not a nicer day, but trust me, it's gorgeous in the sunshine. This is the conservatory I was talking about, which gives you that indoor-outdoor living. The garden's really low maintenance, but an absolute paradise. If you'd like to come and book a viewing on this property, or would like me to come and value your home, please do get in touch, and I hope to speak to you soon. Thank you very much.